Okay, so I've got a little project. I wasn't getting my stuff done because it's kind of rainy outside, and so I've got this little Duracell thing, 250 or whatever, and you've probably got um, some of these in your collection that takes this little uh, battery that holds three cells. 1, 2, 3. 4.50 volts. 1.50 times 3. 3 in here, okay, but they get a little expensive, and I don't like to keep buying them, especially if you leave the light on. They're all done. There's no automatic shut off. Anyway, so these here, this little deal is a battery from a JJRC H31. JJRC H31 Ingpow 37500. Okay, it's a high something. Anyway, if you're a droney, you've got these. This came up for a JJRC H31. But anyway, and I have a bunch of them because I love that drone. But anyway, if you're not a droney, you might think this is weird. But anyway, if you're any kind of a gadget guy, then that's it too. And many of you have done your own little replacement projects, I'm sure. But anyway, yeah, I'm done. Those are all dead, and I'm not going to have to buy them because I can take this out, or I can just undo the tape and recharge it right in here. And when it wears out, I'll replace it with another one just like this. And so yeah, I mean, I've got this other project going here. I'm fixing these other batteries and you know, kind of doing a little jumper thingy here, trying to get this one going. But it says it's full. But anyway, yeah. So here we go. And so I'll just do a little demo here. I'll pause this. Yeah. So some of you are probably thinking, well, yeah, okay, so you got it all rigged up there, but how does it really work? Well, guess what? It works great. Okay, so this is the light that it comes on, and here's this light, and then it goes to bright light. Okay, so super bright, and then it goes to flashy thingy, and you know what? It just absolutely, actually, I believe, works better than the three AAAs. That's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you can make that change yourself. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and so now I'm having a happy day because of that. But anyway, I hope you all have a happy day, and God bless.